Hey guys, so it is finally time to unbox a new J series phone, 2016 J series phone. We have the Galaxy J3 finally out, available on a local store, so you can get it without any problem. It's going to cost you around 23,000 PKR, which is around like to $30, something like that, to $40 maybe. So you can get that. It's a budget phone, and it is cheaper than the Galaxy A3. So I'm going to be doing comparison with the A series also. So yeah, finally this is the box. This is how the box looks like. Of course, this is the white variant, and on the back we have some specs. So it is coming with 8 gigs of internal memory. It has ultra processing mode, new window design, Super AMOLED display, LTE Cat4 speed, 1.5 GHz quad-core processor. I think this is the same chipset as the A3. Yeah, I think this is the Exynos chipset. I really hope. We do have 5-inch screen, of course, 8 megapixel camera with 5 megapixel front camera for selfies, and again 8 gigs of memory. So here it says that the color is white. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box right now. Time to open. Okay. It's all white. I mean, compared to my previous Samsung phones, I've been buying all of those phones in gold color, so I'm kind of, sick of the gold color, so that's why I bought the white. I bought this phone in white color. So here we have Galaxy J3 2016. Wow. Let's take it out. And so finally, a plastic phone from Samsung again, but with the upgraded specs. So it looks really nice. It's gonna be fun to compare this phone to previous J series. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. And I think the battery is not inside, so we're gonna take a look at what is inside of the box. So here we go. So you have our quick start guide, and then we have our standard wall charger, which does not support fast charging. It doesn't say anywhere, so I believe maybe it doesn't have the fast charging ability. Then we have the USB 2.0 cable for charging the phone. We have this battery. I think this is around 2600 milliamp hours of battery, so it's like fairly big, equivalent to what we have on the Samsung Galaxy S6. Next off, we have the AirPods or hand-free. These are just normal hand-free, nothing too special about them. So I'm just gonna move this stuff to the side, and now it's time to take a look at the phone itself. So I'm just gonna peel this off very quickly. There we go. We also have these stickers on the side, so I'm gonna peel them off also. So I mean, yeah, I mean, I've been buying phones from of 2016, so all of them were like made up of metal. They were premium, or I should say glass and metal, Mate 8 and A series, S7 Edge. So it's feeling different, with this plastic phone. So I'm gonna leave some of these there. So let's put the battery without wasting any time. Of course, with the plastic back, you get this ability to remove the back and insert the battery, so that is nice. And we do have dual SIM capabilities on this phone, so you can put 2 SIM cards and the SD card at the same time. So I'm gonna put the battery inside and do the boot up. Here we go. Okay, it's looking very cute actually with this white color, I'm not gonna lie. So Galaxy J3, finally. Let's see here. Let's do like a setup thing and get over with quickly. So do let me know in the comment section down below what type of speed tests, what type of videos that you guys want to see of this phone, So currently I'm busy with the S7 Edge. If you are my subscriber, you know that. I've been working a lot with that phone, so okay. I'm gonna skip it. So this is a 720p HD display, not 1080p. You have to remember that, because it is J3, the like a budget or like the smallest in terms of the specs out of all series, you know, like we have the A3. Come on, skip, finish. Of course there's no fingerprint sensor, so maybe they will include with the J5 and the J7. And whoa, it's a really bright display. I'm gonna decrease the brightness a little bit. Okay, that's much better. So this is how the phone looks like. If you buy the white color, you will get this black interior. It looks really attractive. It does have this black border around it, which might not be as good for some people, you know, who are not used to this this black border. So maybe if you buy the black variant, maybe it's like a little bit better. So let's see here. The icons are looking really good. Maybe I think it's coming with Marshmallow. Let's go ahead. About device, software information. No, it is still running Android Lollipop, but I have a strong feeling that this phone will get the Marshmallow update soon enough. So let's see here. Typical Samsung's TouchWiz UI. We have these apps installed. This is a Microsoft. This is the Google app folder. Then we have Microsoft apps. We get all the Microsoft apps that we have on the S7 Edge, the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all those stuff, and some normal apps. So bloatware is looking less compared to the last year's J models, you know. Okay, so let's see what processor we have on this phone. So let's see here. If we launch the CPU-Z application, you can see there's some kind of unknown chipset here. It's definitely not the chipset same as the Galaxy A3. It says here, if I go into SoC section, it says it's coming with Meli 400 GPU, which is actually the same GPU as the Galaxy S2 has. It's kind of weird. So here it says, okay, some kind of weird dating app or ad. So if I go back, it says that this chipset is some kind of SC9830i Samsung chipset, you know. It doesn't say it is Exynos, so if I compare it to my, let's say, Galaxy A series phone, which we have here, if I launch CPU-Z on this phone, so it says it has this Exynos 7580, but here it says it's coming with SC9830i. So this is like a different chipset that they're using with the J3. So it's gonna be fun to try out the gaming and other stuff, you know. Maybe it's like a little bit better, or maybe it's worse than the A3's processor. Camera on this phone is 8 megapixel, and we have the speaker on the back. On the top side, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the bottom, we have this charger along with the microphone. And on this side, we have the power key, and on the left side, we have our volume rocker. So the camera is, of course, with the flash and the speaker on the back, the traditional plastic design of Samsung, you know. It is dual SIM, it says at the bottom, and also the camera can be accessed by this, you know, quick shortcut also, you know. We do have this nice tweaks, and I have to see that it's like maybe they have updated the aperture size or not. I think it's still like f2.0 something. That's what I've seen somewhere on a website, but I'm going to be testing out myself, you know, all the camera videos and all that. So make sure you subscribe. And this phone can record up to 1080p. I think it can. Let's see here, picture size, video size. Okay, let's go back and check the video size. No. Okay, that's weird. So this phone cannot record up to 1080p, so 720p is the only option we have. And also this is the Android 5.1.1 Lollipop we have on this phone. This is, of course, if we go into about device, this is a new phone from, you know, Samsung, so they should have had like Marshmallow, but still decided to put freaking Lollipop. So yeah, subscribe for daily tech videos if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and for more videos or some, for some specific videos, if you have any idea, if there is something specific phone that you want me to compare it with the J3, please comment below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.